Assalamualaikum. Let us continue our lesson for chapter 4, which is on open innovation and technology transfer. There are basically 8 learning objectives for us to discover in today's lessons, which involve on the importance of technology transfer, the process for technology transfer, models, internal organization factors, environment, barriers, as well as tech-seed knowledge that links for technology transfer and innovation. This chapter explores the roles played by the technology in the innovation process and its influence on the organizational learning activity. Information is the stimulus for knowledge, know-how, skills, and expertise. It is one of the key drivers for the innovation process. With a proper and sufficient knowledge available among all the employees in an organization, it will steer the directions for a better move. Figure 11.2 shows on the importance of context and how external data and information are converted to knowledge and action as it applied by the firms. It is important for you to recognize that most firms are involved in two-way flows of technology, that those companies that spend for R&D activity are also some of the big licenses of the company. Dynamically, innovation firms are likely to buy in more technology than their statics counterpoint. Right? We can say here that most of the companies which are doing well in the business are due to their ability to incorporate latest technology and which is enabler for their performance. The process of technology transfer is concerned with facilitating and promoting innovation. The increasing use of strategic alliances, for example, as a mean to create importance, as the sets to increase that through cross reference through strategic alliances that is available in chapter 8. Yet, technology transfer is poorly understood. The large number of models that have been used over the years is evidence of the facts. You can see the slides here, slides 53 for this. Rather than trying to understand the receptivity issues of receiving organizations, most models of technology transfer emphasize assess the technology. Indeed, the case study shows that how meaningful cooperation with the recipients organization will facilitate successful technology transfer. Now, refer to table 11.2. It shows that the key component of the inward technology transfer process. Inwards means that any inputs that they bring for the company in the operations. This activity may need to be carefully managed if the organization wishes to be successful in their technology transfer. Right, this is a question for you to ponder. Yeah. Well, it may be possible in theory to buy technology with little prior knowledge of it. Surely, would it be extremely difficult to exploit without a knowledge? Yeah. Yes, it's true. To understand technology, you need to have a set of knowledge similar to the one that you're sitting for this class actually to require knowledge. Of course, you don't need to know how a car works in order to drive it, but here we are discussing whether company can acquire technology and use it to develop further products and services. Okay? So that's all cover all important facts for chapter 10. Right. What I can conclude here is technology transfer has a significant impacts on the management of innovation. The process is concerned with the facilitating and promoting innovation. The increased use of strategic alliances, corporations, makes more innovation products. To the chapters, we look into various models of the process that transfer or emphasize on the technology rather than the issue of receiving of the organizations. Okay, please discover the discussions questions on your own, yeah, and do explore the online books which is provided to you. With that, I thank you for your attention. Assalamu alaikum.